Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom admin role in Google Workspace. Now for this, you will need to create a custom role. So basically what you want to do is you want to go and log in into your account here in the admin console. And on the left side, as you can see under the account, you will have admin roles right here. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to there that basically and then from here, as you can see, you will have roles here. You can create new role. So obviously when you create new role, you will need to give your role a clear title, so name, description, and obviously you will need to select privileges as well and for which user this is, right? So as you can see, organizational units, users, all Gmail options, domain management, you can choose the following privileges right here. Now from here, as you can see, once you have that, obviously you can review and create, double check your selections and just click create. From here, once you create a role, that's pretty much that particular role. Now what you want to do is assign a role, because if you create a role, you still need to assign it to someone. So if you want to assign a role, you need to go to your role. Now for this, you will need to go again, admin roles, go to your role, and here you have assign members. So here you can click assign member. Also, you can search for here assign member if you don't want to go directly here. You can assign members, and then all you have to do is just put an email here. Now once you put an email, you just assign role, and that's pretty much it. In just a few simple steps, you created a custom admin role in Google Workspace. Now if you have any questions or comments around this, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.